spacious living area over here, a very big space for your kitchen area, a very spacious master bedroom you will be getting over here. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Housey. I am Sunidhi Verma, your virtual tour assistant, as we are standing at the actual location of the Crispy Statura by Crispy Builder. As you can see, this is the actual location. As you can see, this is the entrance and all the neighborhood area as well. And if we talk about the land parcel, it is spread across approximately 2 acres of land. As you see in front of me, you will be getting actual sales area over here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we will be talking a lot about this project, but before that, let us know what actually Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform where home buyers are directly connected with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom price rate. Unlike other current listing platform whereby if you do an inquiry, your call will be forwarded to different brokers, resulting in lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer, so you can book your dream house through Housey directly by the developers. And ladies and gentlemen, if we talk about the project overview of this project named as Crispy Statura by Crispy Builder, you will be getting only one tower over here. And if we talk about the stories, you will be getting 2 basement floor, 1 ground floor and 34 other floors. And if we talk about the variants of this particular project, you will be getting 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK duplex. And if we talk about the connectivity from this particular project, you will be getting Budigere Road only 500 meters far, Decathlon only 700 meters far and nearest Orion Uptown Mall only 2.2 kilometers far. And if we talk about the amenity of this particular project, and you will be getting 20 plus luxurious amenities including steam and sauna area, multi-purpose hall, jogging track, kids play area, and also you will be getting outdoor and indoor gym as well, and also many more. Ladies and gentlemen, I am standing in front of the project named as Crispy Statura, and this is the 3 BHK apartment. Let's have a look at it. As we enter from the door, you will be getting a smart lock over here, and as you can see, this space you will be having your perfect showcase area and aesthetic home decor as well. And this is the east facing apartment with the spacious living area over here and the west facing balcony, which is directly connected to the living room. As you can see, this is a very big running balcony space over here. As you can see, this will be covered, this space will be covered with the sliding door, so you don't have to worry about anything. As you can see, a perfect view over here you will be getting, which is west facing balcony with perfectly neighborhood buildings. You will be getting a perfect main road over here. You can chill here. As I showed you the living area, and here where I am standing, it's a dining area which is directly connected to living here. You can have your dining stuff here as well. And let me take you to the kitchen area. As you can see, this is a very big space for your kitchen area. And if we see this area, you will be having your all the refrigerator, oven stuff, and here you will be getting, and here the modular kitchen setting will be going on. And if we talk about this area, you will be having all the covered area set up and the whole modular kitchen setup you will be getting over here. If I talk about this space, so you will be getting a utility space area which is directly connected with the kitchen. And if I show the washing area, here you will be getting an extra washing area. You can have your refrigerator or washing machine, and here you can see the window as well. Now let me take you to the common washing area of this apartment. As you can see, you are getting a common washing area with a very spacious area. You will be getting as a common washing area with all wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and perfect bathroom finishing as well. Now the best part about this whole apartment is rooms. Let me take you to the first room of this 3 BHK apartment. So as you can see, a very spacious room you will be getting of this from this 3 BHK apartment. As you can see, a very spacious room. Here you can have your bedding items. Here you can have your dressing tables, and here you can have your whole setup of the television and showpieces, which will that give you an aesthetic vibe. And also if we talk about this area, It is all set up for your cupboards. Now let me show you the attached washing area. As you can see, this is a very stylish bathroom area going on. You can see a very stylish wash basin sink, and all the bathroom fitting is giving you a very stylish finishing. Now let me take you to the second bedroom of this 3 BHK apartment. And before that, let me show you this area. Let's talk about this area. So basically this is your open study space where you can have your workstation, where you can have your gaming set, what not. You can have a proper open study area. And let me take you towards the second bedroom. And as you can see, this is a very spacious area for the second bedroom. Here you will be getting a perfect view window over here, and you will have to look at the view over here, and the view is giving you an aesthetic with perfect location, perfect window and perfect lighting. And you can have your bedding stuffs, you can have your cupboards over there, or rather you can have your dressing table over here. As you can see, this is a cupboard area space. You can have whatever you want and you can customize it as per your needs. Now ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look at the master bedroom. But before that, let you guys know what actually Housey does for us. So in Housey, you will be getting actual sample flat tour, and also in Housey, you will be getting actual location tour as well. And also Housey will give you pros and cons of the project, and also in Housey, you will be getting all over 360-degree virtual project tour, and also Housey will provide you all the inclusive pricing details with EMI and down payments. And after all of this, if you like the project, you can book your free site visit. You just have to go, and within 3 simple clicks, you can able to book your free site visit. So ladies and gentlemen, what are you waiting for? Just go and book your dream home. Now let's have a look at the master bedroom. So now I'm going to take you to the master bedroom. As you can see, a very spacious master bedroom you will be getting over here. A very spacious where you can have your all the bedding stuff and cupboards and your dressing tables as well. And now if we talk about the very gorgeous and important part of this master bedroom is balcony. As you can see, you will be having a perfect view over here. A perfect small running balcony you will be getting with perfect sunset view over here. As you can see, is a proper sunset view you will be getting here. And if we talk about the space, well, this will be covered with all the sliding doors as well. You don't have to worry about this area, as it will be going to cover with this sliding door. So basically this area for your AC ventilation and all. So now let me take you to the bathroom area. As you can see, you will be getting attached bathroom over here with a spacious bathroom area and wall-to-wall vitrified tiles that you can able to see, and also bathroom fitting is in a very stylish way. So ladies and gentlemen, this was all about 3 BHK flat apartment tour by Krishvi Satura by Krishvi Group. And if you wanted to book your free site visit, just go on the link which is mentioned on the description box below. And if you wanted to book your e-brochures of this project, you just have to go and register yourself on housey.com. And till then, take care. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give a comment and a thumbs up. We'll be right back with another video. Till then, take care.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.